Hello guys, how you doing? This is Shadow Trader and here we are today for a great video about how to identify a trade. Okay, so before I start, I want to tell you that please subscribe to my channel. We are here to help and share our experiences and knowledge, and I'll be sure after this training you will turn into a profitable trader, and you will be a great trader after that, because maybe I tell you a tip that you didn't know about that. So before starting this video, I want to have a little introduction about ourselves. We are an international team called Shadow Trader, and we are 7 years experienced in this field, and we are glad that we have a brand with our name, and we are our activity is in the forex trading field, and it's about 2 years now that we have a Telegram channel that we share our signals or analysis, and we have many clients, and they are very satisfied, and we are glad. So let's start. For identify a trade, first you need to have some tools. Okay, for me, I just need a support and resistance zone and a fine and well respected trend line. Okay, so for this pair NZD to Japanese yen, we want to use our support area that is well respected and touched, and let's see. Okay, so this can be a great support zone. You know why? Because price in here have a push. Okay, in here have another support. Okay, so in here price had a fake out. That is good, because that's the reason this zone that I draw is exist. Okay, so this price had support. Okay, in here and in here and in here and in here. So as you see, price had a great support in this zone. Okay, so we have a support zone in here that is well respected, and we can count on it. Okay, that's very good actually. Okay, let's raise it first. So let's have a resistance area. Okay, so in here we have a resistance area, as you see. Okay, so in here, in here, in here, so in here and in here. Okay, so we should expect a fall at this area. Okay, so what is the reason that we enter a trade? That is very easy. You know why? Because when we have a certain zone like support or resistance area, we should wait for confirmation. Okay, we should wait for confirmation that show us a zone that we draw, or a trend line that we draw is exist. Okay, like this area, this resistance area and support area. So the next level, that is, we should find the major points. If you want to draw a good and well respected trend line or zone, you should find the major point that price had a very good reaction in that point. Okay, so for us this is a major point, this is another major point. Okay, so what should I do right now? We should connect the dots, we should connect the major zone or major points. Okay, so let's draw a trend line in here, and as you see, price had a great react to the trend line that I draw. Before I take this trade, I want to say a word. Actually, I want to say, if you are knowing that support and resistance trend line or support or resistance zone has what power, you can sleep at night. Okay, so you should understand that these tools are enough for analysis. I don't use any indicators, I don't use any extra thing, I just only use these simple tools. Okay, so as you see, we are ready to sell at the resistance zone. Okay, so we have a trend line that is broken. First scenario. Okay, we have a theory of head and shoulder in here. Okay, after that we have another theory, we have a well-respected resistance zone, and we can enter after the confirmation of candlestick in here. We put our SL above the resistance zone, and as you see, always when the price reach this zone, price react and fall until the next support zone. Okay, so we should wait for confirmation and we enter at the resistance zone above, and yes, we have a great scenario. And if the price broke this zone, the head and shoulder theory is correct, and we wait after the price had a pullback at the support zone, we enter short again until the next major zone, like this. Okay, so for this pair we have two possible scenarios, that we should wait and be patient, and after that I assure you that this position will go and smash the TP as usual, as always, as every time history repeat, and this time will repeat too. So we are so glad that we are starting our YouTube channel. Please support us, comment at our video, and leave a like. Thank you very much. You are the best. You are the reason that we are here. We are Shadow Trader. Good luck.